Eid is a very important festival for Muslims. It is celebrated all around the world. There are two main Eid festivals in Islam. These are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Both Eids are times of great happiness. They are also times for prayer and reflection. Families and communities come together. They share joy and thankfulness. This makes Eid a special period. Eid al-Adha is called the Festival of Sacrifice. It remembers Prophet Ibrahim's willingness. He was willing to sacrifice his son for God. God provided a ram to sacrifice instead. This Eid happens during the Hajj pilgrimage. Hajj is the journey to Mecca. Muslims who can afford it sacrifice an animal. The meat is shared with family, friends, and the poor. The core values of Eid are universal. Gratitude is a key part of Eid. Muslims thank God for his blessings. Community is also very important. People gather with family and friends. Charity is another central theme. Muslims give to those in need. This is called Zakat al-Fitr before Eid al-Fitr prayers. It ensures everyone can celebrate. In Arab countries, Eid is a vibrant celebration. Let us look at Egypt as an example. The day often begins very early. People wake up and perform ablution. They put on their best new clothes. Families then go to the mosque, or they gather in large open spaces. They perform the special Eid prayer together. This prayer is a very communal act. After the prayers, the imam gives a sermon. The sermon often reminds people of Islamic values. It speaks of compassion, unity, and forgiveness. People greet each other warmly. They say Eid Mubarak, which means blessed Eid. Children are especially excited on this day. They look forward to gifts and fun. The atmosphere is filled with joy and goodwill. It is a time for renewing bonds. Food plays a very big role in Egyptian Eid. Families prepare many special dishes. One famous treat is kak. These are sweet cookies filled with nuts or dates. They are often dusted with powdered sugar. Large family meals are common. Dishes like fada, made with rice, bread, and meat, are popular. Sharing food is a sign of hospitality. It strengthens family and community ties. Another important tradition is giving Eidiyah. This is a gift of money. Adults give Eidiyah to children. This makes children very happy. Visiting relatives is also a major part of Eid. Families travel to see grandparents, aunts, and uncles. Homes are decorated with lights and lanterns. Streets are often busy with people celebrating. The feeling of community is very strong during these days. In South Asian countries like Pakistan, Eid is grand. The excitement begins the night before. This night is called Chand Raat. It means the night of the moon. People go out to spot the new crescent moon. This sighting officially marks the start of Eid. Markets become very lively. Women and girls buy colorful bangles. They also apply intricate henna designs on their hands. On Eid morning, people wake up early. They take a bath and wear new clothes. Men and boys often wear traditional shalwar kameez. Then they go for Eid prayers. These prayers are often held in large open grounds. These grounds are called Eidgahs. Many thousands of people pray together. After prayers, they embrace each other. They exchange Eid greetings and good wishes. Food is a central part of Eid in South Asia. A special sweet dish is sheer kurma. It is a vermicelli pudding. It is made with milk, dates, nuts, and sugar. Another popular dish is biryani. This is a flavorful rice dish with meat or chicken. Families cook these dishes in large quantities. They share them with neighbors and friends. They also give food to the poor. Community activities are very important. People visit the homes of their relatives. They also visit friends throughout the day. It is a time for forgiveness and reconciliation. Giving charity, known as fitrana or zakat al-fitr, is essential. This is given before the Eid prayer. It helps the less fortunate to celebrate Eid too. The festive spirit lasts for several days. Children enjoy receiving Eid from elders. In many African countries, Eid is a joyous occasion. For example, in Nigeria, Eid is celebrated with great enthusiasm. Muslims dress in their finest traditional attire. The clothes are often very colorful and elaborate. Large communal prayers are held. These prayers take place in mosques. They also happen in open prayer grounds. The sense of community is very strong. People come together to worship. After prayers, celebrations continue. In some parts of Nigeria, especially the north, Durbar festivals are held. These are grand parades with horsemen. The horsemen are dressed in traditional regalia. They showcase riding skills and cultural heritage. Food is also a key element. Families prepare special meals. Dishes like jollof rice, tuwo shinkafa, and suya, grilled meat, are popular. People share these meals with everyone. Across all these diverse cultures, common threads emerge. The joy of Eid is palpable everywhere. Families reunite and strengthen their bonds. Children are a special focus of the celebration. They receive gifts and enjoy the festivities. The act of dressing in new or best clothes is common. It symbolizes renewal and respect for the occasion. The shared meals signify togetherness and generosity. The universal spirit of Eid shines through. Charity is a cornerstone of the festival. Before Eid al-Fitr prayers, Zakat al-Fitr is given. This ensures that even the poorest can enjoy the day. This act of giving highlights compassion. It emphasizes social responsibility within the Muslim community. Eid, therefore, is more than just a celebration. It is a profound expression of faith, unity, and shared humanity. It beautifully showcases unity and diversity.